that the requirement for the boss having a strong law enforcement background has been the practice, as is explained in Laverne Barrett's article in the Gleaner newspaper, has been the practice over the last 2 decades. Heads of the Financial Investigation Division have, for the last 2 decades, had law enforcement backgrounds, right? Beginning with Mike Surridge, says the article, a former cop from the United Kingdom, coming through to Calvin Small, Justin Felice, Selvin Hay, Robin Sykes. All of these are former directors with strong, long law enforcement background. So now we fast forward, we're in 2025, Jamaica doesn't have a good reputation. A new head is being searched for. You have a description of the position and qualifications in November of 2024, still prioritizing a law enforcement background. You have 6 candidates that are shortlisted. They are not selected. And by January of 2025, you have a new post go out, a new advertisement going out that has taken out the law enforcement, the 2 decades requirement out of the mix. We have to ask, why is that?